Hi, I'm Rasul Ahmed Akash from SGC Learnings. I'll be teaching you C++. For writing C++ or codes, we have to install a code writer. So I'll be using Visual Studio Code throughout my courses, and in this video I'll be showing you how to install Visual Studio Code. So let's jump to the video. For downloading it, I will open Chrome. You can use any browser you want or you have in your PC. So from here you have to search for Visual Studio Code. Just search in the Google, you will find the page. From here I'm going to go to the download page. I'm using Windows 10, so I'll be downloading this. If you are using Linux or Mac OS, you can download from here. So let's download it. I have already downloaded that, so I'll be downloading it now. Cancel it. It's in my download, I guess. Yes, it's in here. So I'll just open it. Which you have to agree the agreements. I'll be checking this. You can leave it as it be. Okay, so just installing this. After finishing installation, we have to install some extension packs in the Visual Studio Code, and I'll be showing you that. No need to worry. So we launched it. Um, uh, as you can see, our Visual Studio Code has opened. From here you have to go in here, extension pack. You have to search for C++. uh, the first extension that's shown is produced by Microsoft, and I'll be installing that. You also have to install this extension, so just click in there, install. Yes, it's installing. As you can see, it's already installing. So for running the code, we have to install a code runner. So I'll just be typing code runner. Thank you for watching my video. In the next video I'll be coming up with my first lecture. So see you soon. Goodbye.